Alright, in front of us today we have the Jaybird X4 wireless sport headphones. Now these are the sort of entry level range, as you can go up to the ones that don't have the cable, which are the Vista, the Jaybird Vista and the Jaybird Run XT. Then you can go to the Terra Pros, which have a few more features, better battery life, etc. These are quite affordable and quite appealing to a lot of people that just want something simple for their sporting activities. So it's got an 8-hour battery, which is pretty good given how small they are. The quick charge, so it's 10 minutes, will get you 1 hour of play, which is pretty decent. The Terra Pros, 5 minutes gives you 2 hours, but again, they're a fair bit more expensive. So it's sweat and waterproof, IPX7. Don't go swimming with it. It's just a guide that it's made for running. It'll withstand the sweat. You can wash them a bit, but definitely don't keep them submerged in water for a long period of time. So it's got the Sport Fit Plus with over or under ear, which is good if you decide, because sometimes this can get a bit heavy or annoying, so you might want to change it around a bit. Then you've got the Comply Ultra Foam tips. So in the box, you've got the headphones, the silicone ear tips, the Comply ear tips, and the ear fins. I've also got a clip and a few other things. So it's premium sound with custom EQ, which is cool. You basically just connect it to the app and you can change all the EQ settings, and it'll take music and calls as well. So let's get right into it. You pull it out of the box. The cool Jaybird packaging, which I love. And designed for athletes, built for adventure. I like that a lot. So this is the Storm Metallic Glacier finish, which is the sort of silver and blue. There's also a black metallic flash, which is all black with a little green part there where ours is blue. So you open the little box. In this little bag is all your ear tips that you are going to figure out which one is best, and a little shirt clip as well. So that helps you figure out which size is best for you. Let's take this out first. Then in here, a cool little pouch which you can put the headphones in. It's also magnetic. And there is your little charging cradle. So you plug it into USB and it just sits there connected. And it's green on the inside. That's really cool. I like that. Or yellow, whatever sort of limey color that is there. Then we get straight to the headphones. So let's take them out. And there they are. So there is where you're going to be charging it. They don't have the magnetic feature, which some of the higher end models have. And they do have blue on the inside, which is super cool, as you can tell, which is a good little contrast. And there are your 3 buttons: middle, down and up, and your play pause button, you're answering your calls and those. Now I'm probably going to be changing the tips. So that says R2 because there's different sizes. There's probably 1 and 2 and 3, depending on how big or small your ears are. Now this is a rubber design, so it might be a little bit more waterproof than the fabric, but the fabric just sort of feels a little bit better as a texture. And then obviously you can change that as well. It doesn't let you pull it off, which is good. And you can bring it back in depending on how big your head is. And you can change which side goes where. So they feel really good. They're obviously not going to feel as premium as the Terra Pros, for example, but they'll get the job done. They'll be your perfect sports companion, and you don't have to worry about cables or anything running down. Let's take a look at the quick start guide quickly. And yeah, turn it on, Bluetooth, check the app. So start with the pre-installed size 2. If it doesn't feel secure enough, try size 3. If you feel discomfort, that means it's too big, try size 1. That's what probably I'll be using. So it tells you that it has to be sort of a little bit bent, not straight, and you want to plug it in there straight into your ear. And that tells you where play pause, top and bottom volume, skip, track, forward, etc. Waterproof, again, warning, telling you not to swim with it. And please see jaybirdsport.com for proper care and maintenance, which, because these little rubber things come off, it's a good thing. You can just take them off. So this has 2. This has a rubber bit there and also another bit there. So there's 1 and there's 2. So there it is. And then you put 1 on, and then you put the second one on. So there's two things there. So you could even just take that off, maybe if you don't want sport, you can just keep it like that as an in-ear headphone. Or you can put this one on and it will attach a bit better, more comfortably, more snug into your ear. Anyway, there are the Jaybird X4s. Thank you for watching, and again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.